Hey, in this video, I will show you how to fix the YouTube custom thumbnail not working issue on any iPhone and on any Android device in 2021. So if you appreciate me making a video just like this, you can go ahead and give me a like for the YouTube algorithm. You can subscribe if you are new, and hey, if you have any questions whatsoever, let me know in the comment section down below. I would love to help you out. And also comment down below, which country are you watching this video from? Curious to know that. So there's a few things you can do to actually fix the YouTube custom thumbnail not working. If you're using the YouTube app on your iPhone or on your Android device, normally to edit your thumbnail, you would click on the three dots right here, click on edit, but for some reason you can't upload it. So my suggestion is first, make sure your YouTube account is verified. So go to your email, Gmail, Mail, whatever, Yahoo, Yandex, whatever you're using, and verify your YouTube account. This is the first thing you need to do. The second thing is actually using another app. I would suggest you using the official studio app, but going on the App Store or the Google Play Store and just type in on search, click on search, click on games, apps, stories, type in studio, and you'll find the YouTube Studio app at the top. So I've already got this installed, and you can see a lot of data right here. But what you can do is actually go over to videos. So you just click on, you normally, when you install it, you open it, you're in dashboard. You want to click on the three dashes at the top left corner, click on videos, and then select any video that you want to change the thumbnail to. Click on it. This is a video we uploaded, I think, a few hours ago. Click on edit at the top right corner, and here you can change the thumbnail very easily. Click on change and you can change it from a photo from your camera roll. If this video helped you out, you can give me a like. Each like helps us out a lot, and I want to see you in one of the next videos, because we're uploading hundreds of videos just like this for your value. I know you can have some questions while you're watching the video, so let me know in the comment section down below. We try to get back to every single comment. See you in the next video.